primal codes, cryptic by design. We just float, like two floating looks. The river's wild, there's no way to pose. And if you think you know what there's in store, hold on tight, you're out for some fun. And if you think you know what fate's in store, embrace yourself for change. 'Cause who you are was never set in stone, and things go down with a magic of their own. And when you think you gotta figure it out, life has its way to drop you from the clouds. So we hang onto holes, more things, trying to guess what tomorrow brings. But as a poet from Chicago used to say, oh carpe diem, which means seize the day. 'Cause if you think you'll know what is in store, hold on tight, you're out for some fun. And if you think you know what fate's in store, embrace yourself for change. 'Cause who you are was never set in stone, and when things go down with a magic of their own, and when you think you gotta figure out, life has its way to drop you from the clouds.
It's all about you. It's all about you. No, 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 no. It's not about you. No, 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 no. It's not about you. Everything around you is pulling strings in your mind. It's whispering what to do. Who you gonna turn to see beyond the physical and feel something spiritual? Answer this in your mind, your mind. Answer is high from inside. Answer this in your mind, your mind. Behind those eyes, you can say, you can say, you can say the truth. Time isn't with you. Your mind's stuck in rewind. In this present moment, you might find problems don't exist. disappears. My body connections clear. Answer this in your mind, your mind. Answer is high from itself. Answer this in your mind, your mind. Behind those eyes, who can say, who can say, who can say the truth? Yeah, 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 yeah. It's all about you. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's all about you. No, 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 no. It's not about you. No, 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 no.
I played all my cards, but I lost. Now I'm drained, and I felt all this time you kept alive. Now I know you'd say life is like a bridge we cross, but I know I'll bring you down. And I'd say words won't make a change for us, but I know I'm bringing you down. And you'd say life is like a bridge we cross, but I know I'll bring you down. And I'd say words won't make a change for us, but I know I'm bringing you down. I'm bringing you down. I'm bringing you down. I'm bringing you down. I'm bringing you
Could you help? How did you travel? I give you the kiss to my front door to come on the red train for you. Giving you all that you ask for, not enough. You always want more. to be a good chat. I can't believe in you now. I remember well. You just told me I had to wait. When I wanted your love, you just act like you were bored. Sorry, honey, it's too late. Like a child you want to play, when the toy's taken away, you don't know the meaning of pride and shame. The screamers kicking don't impress me, and I think out, but I just got